Namaskar everyone. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to discuss everything about GFRS. Okay, everything means everything. So, first thing is, who can watch this video? Of course, जिसने GFRS लिया है वो तो देख ही सकता है. बट दोज हु आर कन्फ्यूज्ड कि अरे यार कौन सा सब्जेक्ट लेना चाहिए इलेक्टिव, देर आर 6 सब्जेक्ट्स, तो आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट इट. तो वो भी लोग ये डेफिनेटली देख सकते हैं, एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर दे विल गेट सम बेनिफिट आउट ऑफ इट. Watch this video till the end because I'm going to answer the most common question that every GFRS student is having. So let's begin. Before that, I would like to tell you all what things I'm going to cover in this video. So I'll be discussing 6 things. First being why GFRS. देन GFRS तो ले लिया भाई. क्लासेस लेने या नहीं लेने, तो क्लासेस वुड बी माई सेकेंड पॉइंट. थर्ड थिंग आई वुड बी डिस्कसिंग ऑन रिविजन कि क्लासेस लिया है तो कैसे, नहीं लिया है तो कैसे, तो रिविजन वुड बी आर थर्ड पॉइंट. फोर्थ पॉइंट, अब तो एग्ज़ाम का दिन है तो 1.5 डेज पहले कैसे रिवाइज करना है. फिफ्थ पॉइंट वुड बी एग्ज़ाम को व्हाट ऑल मटेरियल शुड बी कैरी. And the sixth point would be the 4 hours and 15 minutes of the exam. And lately I'll be covering the most common question. So stay tuned. Let's begin. Okay. So first things first, why GFRS? फर्स्टली इंटरेस्ट पॉप्स इन. ओके, सो जिसको जो सब्जेक्ट में इंटरेस्ट है, जिसको जिस सब्जेक्ट का कॉन्फिडेंस है कि ओके मुझे इस सब्जेक्ट पे ग्रिप है, तो यू कैन टेक इट दैट सब्जेक्ट. फॉर मी इट वॉज GFRS बिकॉज सिंपली देर वर नो एडिशनल मटीरियल्स फ्रॉम विच आई हैड टू स्टडी. जो FR का मटीरियल था आई हैड स्टडीड एंटायरली फ्रॉम दैट रिगार्डिंग इंडेस. IFRS carves in and carves outs were there, but other than FR ka syllabus, it hardly covers 20%, including the case studies of GFRS. So it was easier for me, and I would suggest for those who have good grip on GFRS, I mean on FR, and are also giving both groups, should definitely go for GFRS because it is more of practical and you get the answers right most of the time if you are very confident on the concepts, and no much additional efforts you have to put in to study those IFRS differences and US gap. Okay, so the another important reason that I would say that why I chose GFRS was कुछ बार ऐसे होता है कि एफ आर के आंसर्स, एफ आर के क्वेश्चंस जो होते हैं, GFRS केस स्टडीज़ के सम क्वेश्चंस गेट रिफ्लेक्टेड इन दोज FR के फाइनल क्वेश्चन पेपर्स. आई हैड सीन दिस, सो आई थॉट इट इज़ बेटर टू कवर इट साइमल्टेनियसली along with GFRS. So this was my second reason, and even if you're not opting for GFRS, I would suggest you कि go through the GFRS case studies if you get some time. अभी तो exams postpone हुए हैं, and if you have that confidence, then go through the GFRS के few case studies which you think might get reflected in FR paper. Okay, then that was my reason why I chose for GFRS. Then the second point comes is classes. Do we have to take classes for GFRS? I would say if you have like good concept clarity in FR paper, the what we can say, the chances of taking classes get reduced. I think you can manage it by yourself. Of course there are few complex case studies for which if you need some help you have to take the classes because it will reduce your time and also get some more clarity on the concepts. बट इफ़ यू आर प्रिटी मच श्योर कि तुमसे ये हो पाएगा, तो डो नॉट गो फॉर क्लासेस, एंड आई वुड सजेस्ट कि टेक गुड 6 to 7 days का स्पैन, टेक एंटायर 1 week एंड कवर एवरीथिंग लाइक IFRS के डिफरेंसेस हो गए, आई मीन कार्व्स इन एंड कार्व्स आउट्स, देन यूएस गैप डिफरेंसेस रहेंगे, देन केस स्टडीज़ होंगे बहुत सारे, देर आर केस स्टडीज़ इन जीएफआरएस, और फिर कुछ क्लैरिफिकेशंस है वो यू कैन कवर. सो टेक अ गुड स्पैन, प्रिपेयर इंडेक्स. I have shared index in the Telegram group, so you can get it from there. Then I would also provide it in the description box below. So if you want, you can definitely have it. I have prepared index for all MTP and suggested answers के case studies for GFRS, so you can definitely have it from there. Then our next agenda point would be कि revision कैसे करना है. So I have divided this into two parts, कि sequence of the revision, and the second thing is how many revisions. So first things first, sequence of the revision. तो पहले तो इंडेस तो किया होगा एफआर में, तो कवर इट अप. First index, go from index, start from index, then shift to carves in and carves outs, IFRS के differences. Then the third point would be all the case studies. Mind you, do not jump to US gap पहले, because US gap and index का बहुत सारा ऐसा उल्टा पुल्टा है, तो you might get confused. Then so go for case studies, go for other clarifications, and then jump to US gap. Believe me, even if you know where are the differences plotted, say regarding consolidation, few differences are on this page, then you can definitely find it out in the exam. Do not go in depth for US gap. It might create confusion for FR paper as well, because most of the concepts are different, entirely opposite of what index says. For example, to give some example, US gap does not consider time value of money. Okay, we do not have to discount things, whereas in Indes and IFRS we have to bring it up to fair value. So there are much opposite differences in both of them, so directly do not jump on to US gap, keep it at last. And you need not remember those provisions, just remember where are the things plotted. It would make your life definitely easier for GFRS paper. Then the second thing in revision point is how many revisions you have to do. So if you have taken classes or not taken classes, I am considering in the 7 days period you would have completed it for first time. Then for the second time, that is for the revision, first revision you take it immediately after your FRK revision if you are going for both the groups. Otherwise you can start revision GFRSK from first itself. Okay, so if you are going for both the groups, then as soon as you complete your FRK revision, go for GFRS revision. It would hardly take 1 or 2 days to cover it from the index and additional material. Then for the second revision, do it as per exam schedule, ICI exam schedule, and attempt one paper, may be from any test series or any ICI suggested answers, I mean question papers or mock test papers or recent exam mock test papers. Say for example, if you are giving exam for May 21, then solve May 21 का paper. Also do not forget to check the journals published by ICAI, because I remember in my exam, November 2020 examination, there were 3 case studies that were asked in journal, and I have covered that index as well in the index sheet, which I am leaving in the description box below. Do check it, you will definitely get some benefit out of it. Okay, so our fourth agenda point would be 1.5 days before exam, how to revise it. So I would say go in the same sequence as told above. First index, then IFRS, then case studies, clarifications, and then US gap, and do it from the index. So more and more you will be familiar to the index. It would be less difficult for you to relocate the concepts or points or questions in the exam. So if you are familiar with the index and the study mat that you are using, and you know what all things are placed where, it would be easy for you in the exam hall, and it won't take much time. Okay, then for 1.5 days I would also say ki revise the complex questions, complex case studies that would cover majority of the concepts that you would have marked earlier, maybe in the index or in the textbook or any study mat that you are using. So it would definitely help you out. And I would also like to tell to FR people who have not opted for GFRS, try to cover the case studies, few of the questions at least, so that you will get good hand, and even if another question pops up in the question paper directly during the exam, it won't be difficult for you to handle that question. Okay. So I hope till now it is all clear. Then I'll move on to the next agenda point, which is what all things we have to carry in the exam hall. तो पूरा तो ले जा नहीं सकते, बट वॉट आई हैड डन वॉज देर आर 4 FRK मॉड्यूल्स. तो आई हैड प्रिंटेड दोज 4 इंटू 2, मतलब 2 मॉड्यूल्स का एक बुक और 2 मॉड्यूल्स का एक बुक, ऐसे मैंने अलग से प्रिंट करवा के लिया था. सो इट इज़ ईजियर फॉर मी टू कैरी. मतलब 4 बुक्स लेने से अच्छा है आई वॉज कैरिंग 2 बुक्स फॉर FR मॉड्यूल्स वेर इन आई हैड मार्क्ड एवरीथिंग. Then matlab I had studied FR from those 2 books itself, and then I had taken it for GFRS paper as well, so everything was marked in those books. Then second things is additional material, that means IFRS and Ind-AS differences, US GAAP and Ind-AS differences, few clarifications that you will be doing, all the case studies, past question papers, past suggested answers, MTP, journal, as I said, everything. And the most important, it is the inevitable material, which is index. Index helps you a lot, believe me, it would save your time. Okay, so do carry the index sheets. And I would suggest, if you're comfortable with, then carry FRK, RTPs and MTPs के कुछ questions that were difficult for you. I had taken it for my exam. It was not of much help, but it might also happen कि FR के जो difficult questions है which are not covered in GFRS, that might get reflected in GFRS paper. So you might carry them if you have forgotten few of the concepts or likewise. Okay, so these are things you should carry, and index though you must carry. Then our next point would be how to manage the exam time, that is 4 hours and 15 minutes. So for the first 15 minutes, what I would suggest is, this is what I had done. So there are 2 things to be done in the first 15 minutes. First, read all the questions. Don't start reading the case studies. Read all the questions. You will get to know this question is asked from which index. It might happen that you are not well versed with Ind-AS 101 and the entire case study or maximum of the questions are asked from 101. So you have to leave it, right? You can't give it a chance in the exam hall. So you have to opt the other 4 questions. So just read the questions and write beside those questions ki which all questions you are going to attempt for and which one you are going to leave. Do not see that question that you are not going to attempt, which you have decided in the mind कि ये questions तो आने नहीं वाले, तो do not find those answers. अरे ये open book ही है, तो even if I do not know the concepts, I can find it in the exam hall. Do not do it. Okay, just attempt those which you are familiar with. And the second thing that you have to do it in 15 minutes is you have to decide the sequence in which you are going to answer. So first thing, just read the questions, not the case study in the first 15 minutes. Get to know which all questions you are going to write. In fact, I'll say get to know which case study you are going to eliminate, and then out of the 4 remaining case studies, decide the sequence. So this thing you have to do, and you should decide this, you should practice this in the mock test that you're going to write. And then for the rest of the 4 hours, what to do is, for say MCQs, there are 10 marks ke 5 MCQs. So for that, you allot 20 minutes. So for every 1 mark, allot 2 minutes. Okay, so for one case study of 25 marks, you will finish it up in 50 minutes, and 10 minutes for each case study would be left, which is 40 minutes overall. So why I have kept this aside is sometimes it might happen that we need to check it, cross check it. Even if we are very sure about it, we need to cross check it, or we need to recheck the paper. So it is better if you keep a few time aside for letter purpose, for cross checking it or whatever. So try to finish one case study in 50 minutes, and overall you will be left with 40 minutes of rechecking the paper or cross checking the concepts. Okay, so this is all about what approach you should take for GFRS paper. And now I'll jump on to the most common question that every one of us is having. This is not only regarding GFRS paper, but for all the electives you can like relate this. So the question is, do we have to always cross check and check the आंसर वॉट वी आर राइटिंग इट इज़ राइट? मतलब एक आंसर लिख दिया, इवन इफ़ यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट, ऐसा होता है ना हमें फियर कि अरे ये गलत हो जाएगा, तो देन वी ओपन अप द बुक एंड चेक बिकॉज इट इज़ ओपन बुक. तो ऐसा करना चाहिए क्या? आई वुड सजेस्ट नो, बिकॉज इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. इट कंज्यूम्स most of the time opening the book, searching for the concept. So definitely if you are not confident, that index would help you. But if you are pretty confident, write the entire paper, and whatever time we have left with, for example, as I said ki target for 50 minutes for one case study. For rechecking the concepts, you can allot those 10 minutes. Okay, that would definitely help you, and I hope this was a beneficial video for you all. And stay safe during this COVID. It's rising again, so stay safe, stay home, and wear the mask. And for any of the queries, do let me know. I have left a few connection sources, like from where you can connect with me, in the description box below. Thank you. Stay safe.